Okay, we're back and here's Studio Manong Jun Serial together with John Mark Pastor Operator. Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City Nagsam Ayan, katakiti pangablao nga income na iba dito tayo. Once again, kuna ni ading Micaela Flora of Italy. Ayan, Italy. Ayan, dati ka no Rest Your Love on Me tiket na mga gana barbaring nulumapsat dagiti urat. Oh, anya pa dagiti dado mga pangablaw.
So na yun yung live kanina.
Okay, kung ano dito ay watching from Hong Kong, have a blessed Sunday karupang Manong Jun, ating JM from Colin Salvino Watangen Barbero. And of course, watching from Qatar is Eusebio Liberato. And watching from Singapore, we have Gloria Magbual. And of course, from Hilo, Hawaii, Gerald Dingle. Pet maluka talaga, Kathy. Kung na naman ni Kabsat nga Gerald. Of course, dati inyaramidami pa iti sunatan ni Kabsat Kathy. At signature song nagat ka. Congresswoman Catherine, as you can see, no, iti imay sunod ti Isabela, iti mismo ilimi apo ka talagang makita nga tilang langana. At Congresswoman, isumutan ti awag na kinidumaapo nga kakadwa nang imay ito. Iso nga, timbatagdi pa nun ko. Okay. How about writing a song? Ayan. To a girl like that. Isang arami daw po ti Congresswoman Catherine. And good afternoon mat kini Charmin Joyce Tabag. Kung na pare correspond inong at Kuya JM Kawitan. Salamat po. Yan. And Marites Marquez garan naggaran ibalse. Dito kahit kung isa lang kunada. And of course, dagiti pa itaduma po. Ayan. MG Castillo ganda ng boses watching from KSA and so many more. Ayan, nakatadupin nga talaga mo iti greetings itoy. Ket tataa po iti maudya paset iti programa mi. Ket dati kung kunada nga sonata dagiti gangganaat wano foreign songs gangganaat nga talaga ti term mi dita wano lauk-lauken. So you can request your favorite love songs, English, Tagalog, German, Italian, ano pa yan? Mexican, Spanish, Hapon, Tsugunay, kung kunan na tao, Karanay, kung kunan na tan. Okay nga rod, as requested by ating Micaela, kadagiti so amin na pong adati, pagsanggiran ng abaga, dahil ito iti sonata nga para kata kayo.
I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in my eyes, in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was him, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner from the moment I walked in. Saw your lovely face across the room. Now I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave me so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have loved you more than me, and at times like this I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last rain to be here and the last chance to come? Just to think that I was born too soon. How long, honey, when the lover don't come? I was there when you left, and just didn't know how to begin. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while.
Kenny Rogers, si Kadeta?
Pwede.
Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love.
Bing Rodrigo.
Bing Rodrigo.
Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while.
Leo Martinez. Leo Martinez.
Ay, wala na eh.
Put your worries in my pocket. Rest your love on me a while.
Ayan, of course, ating Rowena Rhea is watching and mapalimuti tumawag kini JM Pastor for your
Greetings.
live greetings. Ket ato hindi maudi nga paset iti programa, iti ko nada nga laog-laog. So, mabalinan iti English, Spanish. Kat adati nag-text tayo ito, kung na nahin natin dyan,
Ana.
ate magpagana from Japan kung kuna na. And of course, good afternoon to Ojet Tranco of ay naiso na tayon.
Taiwan?
Taiwan yata, sa Taiwan. Mati agenti agadal ka iti Korea.
Korea.
Taiwan, Korea.
Unsa? Korea.
Nalipata mo to, no? Anang nga lugar tayo na ni ading Ojet. Okay, good afternoon kang kaano niya matibubra mi tatangag dama.
Ate na dyan magbagam na eh.
Agilis lista ka man ti pa utang mo win o kung kwenta ka tati sweldo. Naimbagal daw. Ita ayan mo.
Watching,
Ojet.
ate na dyan magbagam, watching from Japan.
Okay, watching from Japan is Mylene Baisa. Ayan, pabati naman po mano ko from family, family Baisa, ita Del Corpus, Kabatuan. And of course, Marina Baldovino, mga Lodi, pagkakablawan nyo man, dagito ay amin nga kabagya dita, Porok 5, Rizal, Santiago City. Ayan.
Aquino family?
Kan, especially kini itatay ko. Miss you, amin, watching from Kuwait. Ayan. And Imelda Cayetano Dionisio, na imbangal daw yung amin, ading ko. Ayan, Imelda Dionisio Cayetano. Ay, Cayetano Dionisio. Ayan, nga. Classmate ni manang ko apo dito San Sebastian Elementary School. Idi, ayan. Kita umat. Kata, pakabla umamag kini Mr. ko, dijay Lagaw Ifugao from Cam Pool and VK of China. Moy. Anyang nga tati na namnanam kung nanikabsat ng Emil. Atay nga ta pinalkang atok mem uwenno atay bildat anak kabisaklat. What a joke. Among kuya Emil itinananam daytay kunana datay joke mo nga atay may isa nga menu aside from the pinaupong manok at dapat may isa.
Pinatayong ibon?
Pinatayong ibon nga kunada. Hanga na kita pinalkang one.
Kuya pa request perfect from Alexa Zoe. Haji ko tatay niya na ganan? Haji Alexa Zoe?
Hindi ka mo.
Tigna.
Tignawan. Okay. Watching from Romania, have a blessed Sunday, Manong June. Bravo to both of you from EMS, Acercado Goraya, Batayen. And of course, Neida Duro, watching from Seoul, Washington, Seattle. And nagsusublida amin yan, we have RJ Tambayan, ni Bayaw kong Joseph. And napayada kita. So many greetings na imbangal daw tayo mga Lodi. Pabati naman po kami dito sa Economy Equality. Thanks. Angelito Ortiz. Equality Economy. Kuna naman Economy Equality. Ayan.
Economy no quality. Economy tapos quality. EQ, diaper.
EQ, ayan. Anang nga ta, iti
Thanks mga lodi. Pet malo talaga kayo. Pet malo mga boses nyo. War pamor.
Okay, anati kayo mga kansyon ng balong.
Kumporme
Okay, agor kata agbiro ka nga rod. Kita kabayatan din nagkapanag-suksukisok iti kanta.
Ilimi ay kisusukisok.
Ayan, agpayapo dito nga sinata.
Lyrics na.
Ay mo na batim gayam dito libro taan nakasan makanta dito tata.
Inyan malagi mo pa'y gayam nagan ko. Thank you from Alexa Zo.
And of course, ada kami ka nagpick sa Team Memoriami, di ba? Di ba? Believe me, Memoria, di ba? Sige man, panatang mga bayan.
Panatang mga bayan. Ibig ko Pilipinas.
Ano? Gano'n din. Ay ko na siya, kaya nga ibalikas nga si Bubukal, itinagang ko. Kuna mo, dapat natimbaga nga sa bale.
Panatang mga bayan, mga rod.
Panatang makabayan, ito nuwal pas dito nga sunata nga rod.
English
version of the song. Maybe this time, ito tanga ka nito.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts that fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time you'll be loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that I had back when they were too young to know what love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
They got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time you'll be loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time you'll be loving divine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time love won't end.
Kakunano dito ay manong kablawa man dagiti customer ko iti barbecue. Umay kayon gumatang from Jomar Talyado of Pagrangayan, Ramon Isabela, and Gilbert in Agbayani is watching from South Korea, mga idol. Kunana, okay? Para ka dagiti naliliday apo, tibiyag na nga babae, dagiti nagasawa, haan nga successful ti married life na. Here's a song from you, for you from Barry Manilow, kakunana dito ay atag ti asawak. Yan. Amun tayo nga rod ako.
She's a great little housewife, but sometimes she talks like a phone. But she helps at the store in the holiday rush, and she picks up the kids after school. And she puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife till she feels the walls hanging between them, and she hangs by her words of her life. She says, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, or there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. She's a sweetheart, except when she's moody. Oh, it's hard to get through to her then. Depressed for a while when the youngest was born. Oh, but that happens now and again. She might think I'll drink with the housework, or when Michael's cup late at the shop, a martini or two before dinner. But she always knows where to stop. She said, I swear I love my husband and I love my kids. I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed. Oh, they used to hold hands at the movies. Now it's seldom, if ever, they go. Once they've paid for the theater and park in the car, oh, there's no money left for the show. She was doing the dishes when a glass fell and broke on the tile, and she cut her wrist quite by mistake. It was real touch and go for a while. She said, oh God, I love my husband and I love my kids. You know I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, all of my having time to be me for myself, for myself. There's so many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she missed.
Aji agas ng agak nga ipadala na di San Sebastian. Text ko pa'y kanya na kung ano mo dito ay ni bakag ko. Apay nga ta.
Narong send nga ta?
Siguro. Sino nga to tayo tingang ka-text na aya po nga madingan ng ipatulod ti agas.
Ay baka agas di talon niya?
Agas ti talon. Wino ikamuman ay kat damagan tadamdama. Kiti online ulit apo ay kami matikong daw ay pet malu unay mga lodi agyaman ak unay itaad na programa yung kasta pirmi makaawan homesick
tawag kanyam
kasla akla adda dita Pilipinas. Thanks again. God bless you always.
Tawag ne sagutan. Have a blessed Sunday, Karuba. God bless us from Antonina Gemma Ramos Tamani of Barangquag, ang adanan Canada Jitata, Hong Kong. Hello, Big Brother. Joel Baldovino Aquino. Thanks sa pag-accept mo sa invite ko. Ano naman? Ni Marina Baldovino. Busy. Kabla man kayang baka dumdungag da Ranyag, da Jan kini Jelay, ni Manang Tinang, ni Manang June Lopez. Kana man nga Karabahal family dita Ranyag, Ramon Isabella. Kan baka dingdungag jay gayam me dita Bugalyon proper Mino Norte. Ni Inzo Rimas. Apay?
Ada nga ti agas di mo table ko kanong in-text na kanong ipatulod ko di balay nga ko maumo na awat ko nga text. Manong awat ko so nga ayan, okay, orin pa yung kasta agsobrita
Agas ti talon?
Agas ti talon tayo masok ayan, na-misplace di agas. Okay,
dito ko mo kung ano naman
adi dyan nakita kiti na
minsan
munisipyo ayan
munisipyo
kanang tata ka Domingo mat sinorte na kalukat tata di jay. Okay.
Tabay mo masapol di itong bigat mo.
Naparaap ng orta tayo so nga masapol na muting. Gumatang kay latanta so katakon. Dita maso nga na po nga pupukaw. Baka di tamo balay pakitsak yuman. Italugan. Italugan. When? Baka nabagkat tayo maghantay na pupuutan. Anyway, advance Merry Christmas ka tayo amin na po. Here's something from the great Mr. Songwriter Jose Marichan.
My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you in a party or dinner for two. Anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season always lights up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too when they're shared with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children carols in the air by the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair.
I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you.
Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children carols in the air by the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair.
I I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you'd let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you.
Okay, from Sweet Radio 97.7 Nagsamit, we'd like to wish you advance a Merry Christmas.
Lakit ko kanta na kanta nga pang simbahan nga kamay. Pang Christmas.
Oh, come, all ye faithful,
Sample lang ta.
joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye together.
Ayan, sige man. Patasin taman yung kumosinggaro dito may isang liturgical piece. Siyempre, pang Christmas malaang nga po. Amuyo mo at noon niya tikang kansyon. Menyo da kang simbahan. Naglalo ito tapo. Masidigan iti simbang gabi nga kung kunada. Exciting. Manan, di agruruwaran. Ngopi nga tamo nagpuskul dito. Di simbahan no kasta nga simbang gabi. Perbi nga mapagpag.
Simbang tabi.
Awan, hanak mo mati dito talaga nga ganda dag simba. Mapadang talaga makiwisan.
Nagtitibay na ganyan ring tin parbangon niya.
And so with us.
Nagagatak iding kasi dyan. Magkisimba na ti parbangon. Katawan. Nagiwas maturaw.
Okay, we would like to present a sample.
Lyrics na.
Awa mo pa yung lyrics na ito.
Kapag ngay. Bakag parang ito ni Playmon. Wala. Ay na isa-isa. Sabi nagmeta niya ko. Ay,
okay, adan. Okay.
Sample.
Abo iti kang kansyon may nukasting asidigan ti Paswa.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Oh, sing, cries of angels, sing in exaltation, sing all that in heaven, God's holy word. Give to our Father glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Oh, hail, we give thee this happy morning. Oh, Jesus, forevermore be thy name adored. Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Oh, diba?
Sample na sample talaga nga Christmas is
Coming to town.
just around the corner. So, i-prepare yan na po kita pagbagiyo para kati anagan nyo, tibon niya katakasara. It's not the amount or that counts. Diba?
O dapat di post sa Facebook na tanong. Mano, bring birth certificate.
Apo, dagi tala unay nagadumutan.
Requirements na nga ta.
One.
Picture together with Daninong.
Aha, talaga mga nagrigat. Iti agbaling nga ninong talaga nga nagado. Iti masapol nga ikam. Ngam.
Isa ka anam to, dagay ampaw.
Ampaw, no? Ado ti kwarta. Ngam, no? Awan ti kwarta. Agparang kalatang kaglimlembeng ta narigrigat. Agrigat ti kung may bumisita tapos ang bisita. Di ba? So, the best thing is, kung man kita, no, agpapatangkay lang for a cup of coffee. Dakil nga ba na again?
Kuya, pabati naman po kami dito sa Plaridel na nanonood ngayon sa inyo. Thanks ka Ruba, request po yung kantang Seven Seals. Pasko ng damdamin nga po, pa-request. Namamas ko po, kung kung to yan. Merry Christmas, mga kapa-homesick ka Ruba. Pabating mga anak ko, mga idol, Isuda Dave, Junior, CD, Ken Rambo. Miss you all mga anak dito kadastral. William Magat, San Mateo, Isabella. Salamat mga idol. Romanante. Ako angst.
Okay, kaya mga kumansyon ti Barbaron.
Kaya na pa nire-request yan eh.
Okay, as requested, ito tayo lang nga pong request. Perfect from Ed Sheeran. Dating nga rin na po. Tayo na tayo.
Eko. Eko na yan. Lakasam mo. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know I'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. darling, you look perfect tonight.
Tuwaring dig na?
No, no, yeah. Baby, I dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
And Rodel Agrade says here, Kuya, pabati naman po kami dito sa Plaridel na nanonood ngayon. Nagpasat tayo din. Okay, Joe Martaledo, Merry Christmas Karuba. And of course, adding Venus Phoebe Mindaros of Singapore. Nakahabol din ko na. And Francis Beltran and Bangal daw yung kabzat watching from Kuwait. And of course, good afternoon at kadagitid dumapaya po. We have Marites Marquez, Mary Glory de la Cruz, and Caroline Quesada, and Marilu Peralta Laca, and Marites Marquez. Kita po dagiti sumaganad nga online dito. And of course, ni adding cell season. Ayan, nga di Dubai ito. Good afternoon ka na kayo. Kani Manong, nga siyempre, apan na ipaspas siya rito tangka nito. Juan, adijay ito tani kuyang na. Siyempre. And 15 more minutes before we finally say goodbye. Abo. So nga, sambutin tan. Partakam tanggal-ngal kantulong ngal-ngal. Ayan.
Takamat.
Ayan, kadagiti adita bababu, the Liberty Store, ito Heritage. Naibang albayo. Kat sabi ko mata, ito na umulog kami, nalpasan ako ay badminton nga or-orayan di anak ko itatang.
Kan gumata dan tamati table tennis ball, patawar, duwa nga piraso.
Nga puraw, adi puraw ti kolor.
Ano estiga.
Estiga ka no, isa gana yung apo tagitan. Ayan, nakahabol.
Yung amin dito, from Antisonio Steel Santiago of Italy.
Italy, ayan.
Bologna, ada ba?
Juan.
Ano ya? Apa yata?
Awa mo at iti mapanunod ko nga sonata. Dati nga rod, may sapi apo nga sonata. Para kadagiti adati medyo natangkan to ulo ng kabsaan na, anak na, wano. Iso na mismo, tinatangkan to ulo na.
Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we climb hills or trees, learn of love and ABC, skinned our hearts, skinned our knees. Goodbye, my friend, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, pretty girls are everywhere. When you see them, I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time. Goodbye, Papa, please pray for me.
Out of time.
I was the black sheep of the family. You tried to teach me right from wrong. Too much wine and too much song. Wonder how I get along. Goodbye, Papa, it's hard to die. When all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air. Little children everywhere. When you see them, I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the wine and the song, like the seasons, all have gone. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the wine and the song, like the seasons, all have gone. Goodbye, Michelle, my little one. You gave me love and helped me find the sun. And every time that I was down, you would always come around and get my feet back on the ground. Goodbye, Michelle, it's hard to die. When all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air. With the flowers everywhere. Wish that we could both be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the stars we could reach, we could starfish on the beach. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the stars we could reach, we could starfish on the beach. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the wine and the song, like the seasons, all have gone. We had joy, we had fun. Alright.
Apo, talagang kumip-kipa at oras. It's 11 minutes before 3 in the afternoon. Ayan. Lagi tayo mati mabasatan. So,
Kaya pabatero po si mahal ko na si Rodel Agrade. I love you, mahal. From Julie Boromio. Oh, salamat mga idol. From Marites Marquez. 15 minutes more. Ho ho ho. Kuna naman. Clap 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 from Auntie Cathy of Hawaii. Idol, pakibati naman po family ko dyan sa Cagayan, family Kawilan, especially to my wife Roselia Kawilan, and to my son Rains Hill Kawilan. Mabulbulola dito ya. Thank you, kuya idol, and more power. God bless. Wow, pet malu talaga. Thank you mga idol. Ano dyan kabil mo, tatay? Watching from Cairo, Egypt. Ronda Marie Calderon Apostol. Kita mo lang mo ya, Egypt. Egypt. Request ko, God give me you. Kung ano na nanay Lourdes. Agin uumol kung kung namin tatay. Tapos na dyan ba isa? Manut gatad taon. Kanita bintana.
Apo, tayo kita apo. Request na.
Damagumang kina-uncle mo. Aja agas ngayon bagak nga ipadala na dyan San Sebastian. In text ko kay kanya na.
Awang nga rod. Badik nga malagip no nang inkabal ko di jilukan or nabati di opisina. Anyway, amon tayo no kasi no karikat iti biyag ti Hawaii. As we say goodbye to everyone. Kita ito naman in apo next week with yours truly Manong June together with John Mark.
Pastor Operator.
Ayan. Pumakata kami na po. Iyawa may kada kayon. Iti mauding nga sa
Engineer Prince, we need you here. Inside.
Iti nga rin na po. Kita goodbye and God bless everyone. Nga rod, amin tayo iti biyag. Iti Hawaii with this peace.
Narigat na tuupyag ti Hawaii. Trabaho akan kanayon. No kabagian agsurat dumawa. Ibaganat kayat na agatan. Agbaing ka mangrik na ka kabagian. Suru-suruem tiag trabaho. Di
saklutin nakulap mo tapno rumang ay biyag mo di dalaan mo rigat ang trabaho di payen piman makudkud tinabudo inaldaw agraman pa'y Domingo rigrigat ngit na palalo dito'y haway kapsat ko
And of course, supportahan nyo ako. 81st album iti Isabela United Artists. Get available na po. Kiti leading e-music stores. We have Spotify, Deezer, iTunes, AppleMusic.com, Amazon.com. O rin nga parte Apple, pasit lubong ba sa Amazon.com. At ang amiti France.
Basta search yo, ayog Isabelenyo.
Yes, with an N-ye. Ayun yung
Yes.
N-ye na. Isabelenyo. Ato tekam kamalita, Isabelino. It is Isabelenyo because of Isabella. It's not Isabelinyo. Isabelenyo.
Dalaan mo rigat at trabaho di payen pima makudkud tinabudo aldaw agraman pa'y Domingo rigrigat mit na palalo ito'y haway kapsat ko.
Okay, once again, thank you very much. Goodbye, and God bless everyone. Thank you very much, Kapsat Kathy, for staying with us until this moment. Kat, agsubli kami next week at the same time.
The same place?
The same song siguro.
The same frequency?
Yes, only 97.7
Sweet Radio, Santiago City,
Nagsam-in!